Now let's explain the while loop a little bit more and give another example. So let's suppose, let's create an integer n, and then we're gonna write and we can actually assign it to value like maybe 1. That's okay. Then we're gonna say while n does not equal 0, then I would like you to, we can ask from the user, enter a number, and I will print it for you. Or we're gonna say I will print x equals that number, and then we're gonna put in the line end over here, and then we're gonna say, as you guys remember, this is the way to put end line. Instead of writing the end line, we just put this one over here, but it must be inside the string literal, so you can't put it outside. So we're gonna say or enter 0, 0 to end the program, and so we're gonna ask for input from the user for n, and we're gonna output cout x equals n, or before that, let's end the line over here. Let's and over here too. So I can't put it over here and say this is gonna give me an error. This time I have to use the end line. So let's see what's gonna happen. And we have an error. Oh yes, this one no need for here because it's gonna give us a new line. So that we're gonna use that with the character out only. Or yeah, I forgot over here, while n does not equal 0. So because we ask from the user, if you enter 0, then the program will end. So we want the n does not equal to 0. Sorry about that. So n does not equal 0. As long as n does not equal 0, our program will keep running. So let's run it, and it's gonna say enter a number, and I will print x equals that number, or enter 0 to end the program. So let's enter 5. It's gonna say x equals 5. Enter a number, or actually let's end the line over there so it will be more obvious. So what we're doing, let's end the line. And do we need to end the line in another place? We are good. Okay, let's run it one more time and see what's happening. So as we did in the previous one, we said enter 5. So it's gonna say enter a number, and I will print x equals that number, or enter 0 to in the program. Let's enter 8. It's gonna say x equals 8. So the program will keep going as long as I don't enter 0. Even if I enter negative numbers, it's gonna print that number for me. Any number you enter, it's gonna print that for you until you enter 0. And if I enter 0 now, it's gonna end the program for me. As you guys see, our program ended. So this is the way to use the while loop. As long as this condition is true, the loop will keep continuing.